Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can figure out what's selling on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, to figure out what's selling well on Etsy, all you need to do is access the trending now section. This is pretty much done by just typing in trending now, and then you'll see the best trending sort of items that you can buy. Now, some items are physical, some items are digital. As you'll see, digital download will be available wherever the digital items are at, and pretty much this is the best way that you can find this. Just go through to trending now and you'll see pretty much all the best selling items. And as you can see, there are some very interesting ones, such as this chunky blanket throw. You have all of these picture frames, these wall sets for galleries, etc., etc. Usually artsy stuff sells best on Etsy, so it is the best option that you have. If you have any creative items you would like to sell, some homemade items, those sell like absolute crazy. So you should be able, or you should look into them if you want to sell something of that caliber. Other than that, you can also search for Google Trends. You can filter what is sold or searched for on Etsy, and that will give you pretty much similar results. And that can also help you pretty much figure out what you plan on or what you would like to sell in case you want to maximize your profits and enter a very profitable market. However, if the market is profitable, usually the competition is very, very high. So in some cases, I would actually find out what's not selling or which market is falling behind so that you can be pretty much a pioneer so that you don't have any competition and you can be pretty much in a new market. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.